Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use borrower insights to rebuild your database of past borrowers. So if you're a loan officer watching this and you've recently made a transition to a new lender, maybe you lost connection with your past borrowers and your past CRM, well, you can use borrower insights to then pull all of your loans and pull information about those borrowers, their interest rate, their equity position, like equity percentage or equity balance, what their current LTV is. You can pull their contact information, phone numbers, and emails. You can also get additional information, what's their current net worth, if they have any investments, all sorts of stuff that you can pull. And you can then export all that information into a CSV file, into Excel, and import that directly into your new CRM. So it's super, super easy to rebuild your database, and you can literally do it in seconds with Borrower Insights. So right off the bat, inside of my account in Borrower Insights, I want to look right here where it says My Loans. This is going to pull all of my loans from 2017 all the way forward. So we're going to click on that right there. You can see all that information already coming back. And now what I want to do is I want to filter that a little bit further. So we might want to say, show me only the loans where the borrower still owns the property. That way, when we pull this information, we have the confidence that we're pulling the most up-to-date, accurate information about those borrowers and their current position, right? So we want to come up here, click on add filter. There's a lot of filters that we have access to. I want to find borrower status. I'm going to click borrower status, and we're going to click current owner. That's going to make sure that they still own the property. Now, we can also filter on things like interest rate ranges and equity percentages. Maybe if we made a transition not that long ago, but we've written loans for the company that we're currently sponsored by, we can also use employer at the time of the loan to exclude those loans that we've written and only look at the loans at a previous employer. We can also do that by transaction date as well. So if I click on add filter, let's come down, let's look at transaction date. And let's say I only want to see loans in 2023. So I'm going to click 2023. There's fiscal year 2023. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to show me all of those loans right there. So super, super easy to do. You can see how fast all that information comes back. So if we scroll over here, we can see borrower, equity balance, equity percentage, home value, interest rate, and a lot of other details, loan, mortgage amount, loan type, so on and so forth. Now, we can start to reveal information on these individual loans. I have 184 transactions. You can see that down here at the bottom that match those filters. And if I come up here to the top, I can click on that checkbox and I can select any amount. So if I have 184, if I selected 250, it would grab all 184. I can do up to 10,000 loans at a time, and I can use my credits on my account to reveal those details. So I can do them in groups. I can also pick and choose which loans as well. So I can always use the checkboxes to grab multiple loans and click enrich loans down here at the bottom to reveal that information. I can also click on individual columns to reveal specific information about those loans. So if I click on borrower as an example, you'll see it's going to start to reveal that information. If I click on equity balance, you'll see it pulls all that information in as well. You can click on interest rate, and you could do that one by one, or you can do it as a group. But now that I've revealed some of that information, I can select that loan and simply click export loans. That'll take all that information, put it right into a CSV file for me. I can download that from Borrower Insights, and I can import that directly into my CRM. If I come up here and click on My Exports, you'll see all of your previous exports. Well, all you have to do is just click on that export file there, and then click Download File, drop it right into a CSV file in your browser. You save that to your computer, you put that in your new CRM, and off you go. You've rebuilt your database in literally seconds with full control over whether or not you want to enrich all of those loans, maybe certain types of loans, or maybe certain types of loans in a specific date range as an example. There's tons that you can do. If you don't have access to modelmatch or borrower insights today, the waitlist is open. Use the link in the description below. Put your name down, jump on the waitlist. We're adding new users daily. You don't want to miss out on a tool like this.